now that I've got all of my candies in my pan here, I am just coming in with my sweetened condensed milk. Let's get all this goodness in here. Perfect. And now I'm gonna add in some graham cracker crumbs. All right, we are just gonna get this all stirred together, melted, and combined. We're making a super delicious, easy treat today that I think you are really gonna love. Perfect for your next sweet tooth attack. Alrighty, now that we've got this to our desired texture, I'm gonna take this to the counter. Alrighty, now that we've got our candy here into our 13 by 9 in our parchment paper, I'm just gonna go ahead, smooth this out. We're gonna place this in our freezer and let it harden up. Alrighty, y'all, we just had this in the freezer to solidify. I'm gonna come in here with some white chocolate melted, and I'm gonna place this right on top. Now you can make this into a solid layer or a drizzle, depending on how you like it. I think I'm just gonna spread this out just a little bit, because we have some fun stuff we're gonna stick right on here. Perfect. I've got these mini fruit flavored marshmallows. Just give you a little bit of these. Perfect. Some lightly salted peanuts. Go with those peanut M&Ms we had in there. And we're gonna do some of our freeze-dried strawberries, just because this is such a fun, colorful element, and it really takes us to the next level. And of course, these are all natural sugars in the freeze-dried strawberries, so we're getting a little bit of natural vitamins and nature's candy. All right, I'm just gonna let this white chocolate layer freeze. Alrighty, y'all, look at this. Now, we let this just harden in the freezer for that white chocolate, and I put that parchment paper in ahead of time, so it'll be super easy to just pop out. Now we can cut into our masterpiece here. Ooh, listen to that. Oh my gosh. This delicious candy bark. I feel like this would be so good too. I just thought about putting some cornflakes in here for some reason. Sounds amazing. I think it's the crunch of these little strawberries just kind of made me think of that. Oh, I cannot wait to give this a try. And totally customizable, because you can use whatever toppings and whatever fillings you like. Look at that, oh my gosh. Oh, this is so good. You've gotta try it.